Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mawani here. So this is my Thanksgiving turkey. This video is not even doing any justice. This turkey is huge. So normally every Thanksgiving day, a lot of people bake their turkey looking beautiful like this. Oh my goodness, my friend sent this one to me. Look at that. I feel like eating it, but your girl decided to shred her turkey. Look at me. I cut my own into pieces, guys. I have never baked full turkey before, God. And of course, I'm not going to be using all the parts. The turkey breast is out of the question. So this is my ingredients. I'm going to use it and season this turkey and marinate it. Okay, this is a promise, you all. After this year, from next year henceforth, I am going to be baking full turkey. Okay, I promise you guys that. So here am I. I'm going to now season my turkey. All the seasoning that I can think of, I added it on inside this pot of turkey. Okay. So I added curry, I added thyme, I added different seasoning, guys, that will make this turkey taste good. But I promise you guys, you will see how it looks like at the end of it. So I put everything after, mixing it together. I put it in the Ziploc container and I toast it inside the fridge to marinate for 24 hours, guys. I left it overnight to marinate. Okay, so the next morning I continue my cooking. I started cooking. So ordinarily you can go ahead and bake your turkey like this, but me, I decided to steam it up a little bit in the pot.
So tell me,
before I started
do you bake your own turkey
it
on Thanksgiving Day? Do you cut your own or do you bake it full? Don't come and start proving Mr. Perfect here, because I know I'm not the only one on this table. Okay,
so right now I'm gonna cover the pot and allow this to boil for at least 30 minutes to be half done, okay, before bringing it out again. So at this point it is done. I'm gonna put it in the pan now and get it ready to be baked. So I'm just sprinkling some sauce on it to make it taste better. And I went ahead and added some vegetables of carrot, some red pepper or yellow pepper actually, and I added also potatoes,
over it up in the fire.
Then I went ahead and cover everything in the foil and bake it into the oven under 350 degrees for an hour. Okay, and after 1 hour it makes my turkey looking like this. So at this point the turkey is soft. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. We're not going to start eating this turkey like this, of course. So what I did now is that I removed all the vegetables and I went ahead and fried my turkey. Yeah, I went ahead and fried my turkey, and after I fried my turkey started looking like this. This is my final result, guys. This is how my turkey looked like on Thanksgiving Day. Now you guys should tell me, did I do justice to my turkey, or am I talking out? Should I carry this Thanksgiving turkey over? As for me, the turkey is looking so good,
And of course, it tasted so good, so delicious. And that is it for this video. I hope you had a beautiful and joyous Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next. Have a lovely day. God bless you. Bye.